Hello. Wow. Wow. We found animals. Oh. With a banana in his hand. What is the name of animal? This one is monkey. And the sound is like this. Yeah. Okay. We're looking again. Wow, so many animals. Yeah, many animals. We found so many animals. Yeah, what animal is this? Let's check one by one. Whoa, from this one. Whoa, this is a donkey. Yeah. Okay, we put here. Check again. Whoa, this is a deer. Wow, cool. Here, we put here. Wow, wow, hello. This is orang hutan. Wow, like King Kong, yeah. Okay. What is this one? The name? I think it's Oryx. Oh, Oryx. Okay. Put here. Wow. We found a buffalo. Cool. Buffalo. Okay. Wow. This one is elephant. Yeah, elephant. Wow, so many animals. Whoa, we found a lion. Yeah, this is a lion. Wow, wow. Wow, what is this? This is a hippo. Yeah, hippo. Cool. Cool. Wow. What animal is this? This is a dog. Doggy. Yeah. We got a cow. Wow, and the sound is like this. Ooh, wow. Cow. Yeah. This is a leopard. I think this is a leopard, yeah. Yeah. It's a leopard. Okay. Wow. We got a Rhinoceros. Wow, cool. Okay. Wow, elephant again. Wow, elephant, nice. Nice elephant. This one is. Woohoo! Wow, this is the bear. Wow. Oh, this is a cute animal, Panda. Nice. And this is a nice panda. So cute animal. Panda. Okay. Wow, this one is giraffe. Wow, it's the long. Yeah. Whoa, this one is a horse. Oh no, this is a zebra. I'm sorry, this is a zebra. Yeah. And this one is a. What is this? This is a tiger. Wow. Wow. Yeah. This is a tiger. Wow. Oh, cute. Cute animal. Yeah. The name is sheep. Yeah, the name is sheep. And the last one is Wow, this is the horse. The last one is the horse. Yeah, okay. There we found again many animals, my friend. Okay, my friend. So many animals we found again today. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, okay. Thank you for watching this video about animal in the sound. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.